Okay, so here I am at the ironwood forest here. It's just a pretty good patch of ironwood. These are smaller. This is all new growth in here, but I got to cut it down. A lot of saplings here. You can see there's kind of a wispy tree here. They're kind of a nuisance. They'll take over, and they don't do nothing good for the ground. So, because they leave the pine needles here all over the ground, and then no vegetation grows. They just clutter up the forest. So, we're gonna take them down, and then the cows will eat the saplings. So, but before I do that, I'm going to be removing the skinny grass from around the perimeter, because once I drop these small saplings, it'll be hard to clean up the saplings that are going to be blocking this, I guess, kind of a road here. I cut down the grass earlier to expose the fence line. I got that in one of my other videos. Yeah, there's a gate up there, so we still need access to this road here, so I'll have to clean up whatever drops on the road, which shouldn't be that much. But okay, so now I'm gonna clear the grass. I'm using steel here. This is a 2-stroke FS 251R. I really like it because it has a lot of power. I'll be running this 14-inch tri-blade on here. I got that from Amazon. It works really well. I like to keep it really sharp on the edges. That way it cuts real well. So I'll be clearing all this grass around here. Shouldn't take that long. I don't want to spend too much time on it. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I took off the tri-blade here, and I'm putting on this 10-inch with, it's got like chainsaw teeth on it. So I'll be using this to cut down the small saplings. It's easier to walk through there with weed whacker, and cutting the saplings down close to the floor height of the forest, instead of bending over the whole time. Also, I'd like to show you, this is a splined, this goes on the end to protect the bolt here, but I found this at the chainsaw and Weedeater outdoor equipment. It has the washer fixed to the guard, the splined washer here, the thrust washer, I think it's called. I like it really well because it you don't have to fidget around with both units trying to hold it to put the nut on there. Anyways, I just wanted to show you that. That's pretty cool. You could probably ask for them. I haven't seen them on Amazon. They're hard to find. I don't know what they're called, but it's fixed on there. So it was like 35 bucks at the outdoor equipment store. So anyways, okay, well, I'm going to put on this blade and then move to the forest. Okay, I got my tri-blade on, my chainsaw blade on here. Just fair warning, make sure you get your teeth running the right direction and make sure it's secure in there. Sometimes it gets off center, and those are kind of pretty dangerous. So I'll be cutting these saplings down with it. I want them to fall this way because I have a fence there. I don't think it would even reach that far, but there's also a road right here. So it's best to keep them all going this way, because we're going to try to make them all fall this way, because the fence is going to be going across there. So I'll you have to bear with my filming because I don't have much time to be filming all this, because I'll get nothing done. So I'll just do what I can and hope it turns out pretty good. Thanks. Alright, so you can see that I'm just following the smaller ones this away. So I'm going to go through this forest here and see what I can drop. If it's kind of they're small enough where I can weave them between the trees to get them to fall over. But it's good to have those out of the way before we drop the big ones. Otherwise they'll just lay over the smaller ones, and then and then they're not cut. So we'll take care of that first, and then go for the big ones. Okay, so when I'm up there cutting, I noticed that the this brush hog or brush cutter is bogging down. I imagine it's a clogged screen on the spark arrestor. You can see it in there maybe, but yeah. Some shade here. You can see it's all clogged up. You can't even see through it. So, I'd hate to keep on going because this is all dry. It's all dry with these ironwood needles all over the ground. If I get a spark in there, it has been wet, but I don't want to chance it. So I might just get the chainsaw because I don't have a torch to blow that out, and a wire brush doesn't help. It just doesn't burn it off. So I'll take care of that and be back. But you can see I'm clearing out pretty good here. All the trees down. So hopefully we can clear up all these trees in here. But the big ones are up on the hill up there. I'll clear those out later. But right now I'm working on this one here. Fence line over there. So the screen got plugged up on the brush cutter, so I went and got my steel. This is the 251 18-inch blade. It's the easy start or easy pull. I don't really like it because it you can't tell really what it's doing. It's kind of odd to me, but we'll prime it up and see if it starts, and I can clear some of these other trees out. Okay, so I got to keep moving my phone, and I'm almost out of battery, but you can see how this is going. These trees are really light on top, so you can push them whatever way you want, pretty much, as long as they're not too big. I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting this, and then I'll tune back in after I'm done.